going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be doing a review of HankoX, Hankotrades' newest and improved trading platform. There's a wide variety of new cool features that they've added. They've updated the user interface to be intuitive, fast, and efficient. We're going to dive into some of those features here today. So without further ado, let's get into HankoX and look at some of the cool new features they've updated and added to HankoX. Let's get into the video. So welcome to HankoX. This is Hankotrades' newest improved platform. It launched officially just a couple days ago. I've had a chance to get my hands on HankoX, and so far I will say it's very intuitive, very fast and efficient. As a trader, those are things that I want to have when I'm trading. Let's dive into some of the features as promised. Straight away, one of the things they improved first, which is probably one of the best things in my opinion, is the charting system. The charting system for me is everything. Being a technical analysis trader, I have to have a good charting system. It's something that I need as a trader. So straight away, you can come up to the right hand side. You get all sorts of different views of candles. You can use line graph, you can use bars, candles. Obviously, I'm a candle trader, so that's what I'm gonna use. If you wanna use mountains, if you're a mountain goat, go ahead, use mountains, wherever you want. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, so you got time frames. You go 1 day all the way down to 1 minute. That's everything I use as a trader. Everything from 1 minute all the way up to 1 day. So now think about it. You have a platform where you have the charting system. You can execute your trades all in one, and it's highly efficient, updated. It's new, it's fresh, not like MetaTrader. This is what I've been looking for a platform. This is everything that you want as a trader. So if you're looking for indicators, they are called studies, and they've added a whole new list of indicators that you can add, and it's just great. It's great. And me being the MACD guy that I am, here we go. I got a nice easy MACD for me. That's everything I need as a trader. I got chart, I got my MACD. And furthermore, if you don't like the color of your candles, you can come up to the right hand side, click preferences, come down here, add a new theme. If you want day, you can go day, but dang, I don't want to blind you guys. That is bright. If you want to change your theme, maybe you want your red candles to not look so scary. Maybe you want it to look blue instead. There you go. That looks kind of weird, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna change it back to red. Personally, I like the red and green. Maybe I'll go with a little bit of a darker green so it's a little bit easier on the eyes at night. Who knows? Actually, that doesn't look too good. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that back right about now. All right, so I made that theme, so I'm gonna have to click X on that theme and go new theme. I want to change it back to being a little bit brighter. There we go. Cool. So now, something I should mention is whatever you customize on your chart, it's going to transfer to every other device that you use. So it's seamless and flawless at the same time, because no matter what you do, no matter how much you customize your chart, if you're out and you're trading and all you have is your phone, you can open it up and have the confidence that your chart will be already set up for you. You don't have to go scrambling and looking for other ways to trade, looking for other charting systems. You will have it all there for you. So that's another feature, just an added bonus. Now, off of that, it's also important to mention having everything together all at once is going to save you time as a trader. And time is obviously one of the most important things as a trader. Sometimes you don't have a second to enter a trade. You need to enter that millisecond sometimes. And if you have to be flipping through tabs or going to different websites, it might hinder your trading. So on the topic of that, I want to dive into something about the economic calendar. So that economic calendar, typically as a trader, I go to different websites for using economic calendar. But with HankoX, you have an economic calendar right here. If you come over to calendar, it shows you all the different events that are coming up for each day, all the way up to July 11th. So it's June 27th. A couple weeks from now, I know what will be going on. So I can prepare, study ahead of time, and know exactly what events to watch out for or to trade with, depending on what kind of trader you are. It's great to have. You have your alerts here at the side as well. You can go ahead and set alerts there. I'm going to come back to watch list here and now dive into how to actually execute a trade. We covered a few features that are new, improved, updated, but there's some other features that have already been with HankoX, but they've just improved it to be a little bit faster, more efficient. So let's go over that. One of my favorite features, if I'm feeling like I need to enter a trade this second, you have something called one-click trading, where you can flip through all these different pairs here and enter on a dime. Let's say I want to enter a Euro USD trade right now. Let me just use a minimum because I don't know what's going on with Euro USD right now. I haven't really been watching it. But let's say I wanted to buy this second. Within literally milliseconds, I am in that trade. That's what I'm talking about. That is an efficient, fast trading platform. Within seconds, I'm already in this trade. So now, as you can see down here at the bottom, you see my profit loss, you see where I entered, current price. And then if I wanted to enter stop loss now, I could. But let's change charts here. You can look up whatever chart you want to go to. I'm gonna look up EURUSD.HKT, hit enter, just like that. We have the EURUSD HKT chart pulled up. Okay, so now let's say I wanted to put a stop loss, right here. You can come over here to draw, figure out where exactly I want to put my stop loss. And as you can see, let's say I wanted to put my stop loss a little bit below here. Now I can see exactly where I want to put my stop loss. So come down here. There's 3 icons down here. On the left icon here, this is where you customize what you want to modify. So you have your stop loss, you have your take profit. But I want to set my stop loss. So I can see right here, it's 1.07038. Dang, I need glasses. That looks tiny for me. I can come here, add stop loss, 3.8. You can click all the way down to 3.8, just like that. Click OK. Boom. Now we have our stop loss set there. Now, if you're, a trader who's into hedging as well, this other icon here, if you click that, this is where you can hedge your trade. And then when you want to close your trade, all you do is hit the X. And just like that, I am out of that trade. So like I said, the platform is very intuitive. It's very easy to understand without even being an experienced trader. If you're just a beginner trader, it's very easy to follow this chart. Some trading platforms you use, there might be so much going on, a lot of confusion, but it's pretty easy to pick up, even if you don't know how to trade, or you've never used a trading platform before. So on the left-hand side here is where you have all your pairs you can scroll through. You have Forex, indices, commodities, crypto. For crypto, they got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Binance coin. So those are kind of like the top coins right now, or just a few of them. That covers just the basics of the platform. Very super and simple to understand. Like I said, intuitive, even for the most basic beginner trader. It's not going to be anything too complicated. It's nice to see that they have a nice charting system and just a new and improved charting system where you can actually draw up, especially as a technical analysis trader. It's very important to be able to use these tools and draw lines and whatever you need to do. Even if you're a Fibonacci trader, boom, you have a Fibonacci right there we can use. I don't really use Fibonacci, so that doesn't really help me much. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick review of HankoX, and I'm looking forward to hearing your opinions about it. Yeah, thanks for watching.